Hi dear viewers, welcome once again to my channel. If you'd like to know about organic chemistry, laboratory based organic chemistry, then this channel or this specific platform will really helpful for you. So today I'd like to share you how to do column chromatography, how to use column chromatography technique in organic chemistry laboratory. So that is a column chromatography. We have built this specific column by using burette. This is a burette. This is the, you can say, test tube. And I would like to say or tell in detail about each and every portion of this specific column. This is the stain. And stain stick with this specific burette. At first we have created this, we have built this specific column for our column chromatography. Actually in the preliminary portion of making column, we have fill approximately 1 ml region of the burette using cotton, and then we have packed up approximately this 10 to above 25 region using silica gel. When we have sand this specific cotton, we have used longer glass rod, and we have poured from the top portion of this specific burette, and we have poured it to the bottom portion of the burette so that it can packed properly. And when we have sand this specific silica gel portion, you are seeing the difference color in the burette. In the lower portion it's totally white. In above the cotton portion you are seeing that it's look like silica gel or colorless something, and in the upper portion you are seeing that it's a somewhat orange, or in the upper portion it's totally look like odor. So I would like to say in detail. So at first we have sent cotton in the lower portion. That is, you can say this region is cotton, and in the upper part of the cotton you are seeing that this region that is the, you can say, silica gel region. We have sent this silica gel using anhexane mixed with silica powder, fine silica powder for column in a beaker, and then by using funnel we have sent through the upper part of the burette, and we have sent to the, you can say, this specific beaker. And then in the upper part, by using this upper part, we have also used products. Actually those products we have found from a reaction. Actually we know that about in case of organic chemistry or organic chemical reaction, we get different kinds of products from a single reaction, and after doing TLC, thin layer chromatography, we have been confirmed that actually there are two products in our organic reactions. So we are using column chromatography to separate each and every products from this reaction. So when we are using products, actually we have to use products from the upper portion of this burette by using funnel, and we should keep in our mind that actually we have to slowly add, so that sometimes when we add this kind of products, or you can say solid or dried products, we seen that actually there are blockage created, so it need more time to post it in the lower portion. So in case of pushing the main products, so we should keep in our mind that we have to add slowly. And in the upper portion you are seeing that the mixture of ethyl acetate and anhexane was 15 ml and ethyl acetate was 1 ml, and we have used different kinds of ratios of anhexane and ethyl acetate to separate our multiple products properly and effectively. So that's the thing. When we are using this mixture of ethyl acetate and anhexane, then we are also collecting in the bottom portion of the test burette, so that we can separate multiple products effectively and efficiently. So we are collecting this kind of products. You are seeing that in the test tube keeper. We are seeing that we are collecting different range of solution in different burettes, so that we can easily identify our multiple products. Actually, those are available in the product portion of our reaction. So if you would like to know about column chromatography, or how to use column chromatography, or if you have any queries, then you can share your queries and questions in the comment box of this video. I will try my best to assist you according to my knowledge. So guys, that's all about today. Thank you for watching this video.